students, welcome to Vari Medical Academy. So, உங்களுக்கு எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஒரு குட் நியூஸ். Vari Medical Academy சார்பாக இனி வரும் நாட்கள் டெய்லியும் ஒவ்வொரு டாபிக் நம்மளுடைய faculty members லைவ் வீடியோ ஸ்ட்ரீம் உங்களுக்கு கொடுக்க போறாங்க. Wish you all the best my dear future doctors. டாபிக் ஏதாவது வந்து கிளாரிட்டி வேணும் அப்படிங்கிற எந்த கண்டென்ட் ஆனாலும் கமெண்ட்ல தெரியப்படுத்துங்க. அதுக்குண்டான சொல்யூஷன் Vari Medical Academy சார்பாக கொடுக்க ரெடியா இருக்கும். இந்த மாதிரி வீடியோக்கள் உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா மறக்காம லைக் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க.
Good morning students. This is Kiran Kumar Reddy from Vari Medical Academy. Today topic is VSEPR theory. VSEPR theory. What is VSEPR theory means? Valency shell electron pair repulsion theory. What is VSEPR? Valency shell electron pair repulsion theory. According to the hybridization, already we discussed in last class. I am taking water molecule and methane and next one is NH3. I am taking 3 molecules. Now hybridization, what is the hybridization of this one? Hybridization formula, you know, hybridization is equal to 1 by 2. Total number of valency electron central atom is 6, that is group number is 6, 2, that is equal to 4. Here also methane, now hybridization formula 1 by 2, valency electron or carbon 4 plus 4, that is also 4. If you take NH3, in this also 1 by 2, nitrogen 5 plus 3, that is also 8, that is equal to 4. All are sp3 hybridization, and water molecule is the hybridization is sp3, and methane also sp3 hybridization. Next to ammonia also sp3 hybridization. What is the geometry? And tetrahedral geometry, and this one also tetrahedral geometry, and this one also tetrahedral geometry. In last class I explained geometry is responsible for hybridization, is responsible for geometry. Now here VSEPR theory explain about shape of the molecules. Very easy, shape of the molecules. Shape of the molecules will be explained by VSEPR. Now structure I am writing, water structure. Here is central atom oxygen, here is one hydrogen atom, here is one hydrogen atom, and one lone pair, here also one lone pair. The bond angle is 104 degree. And next one is the, if you take methane, that is tetrahedral, the bond angle is 109 degree 28 minutes. And next one is ammonia. This is having one lone pair. Here is 3 hydrogens are present, and here is 107 degree bond angle. Now what is happened for here? Normal tetrahedral angle is 109 degree 28 minutes. Because these lone pairs are more spacious, they occupy more space. That's why lone pair repulsions are present in water molecule. They try to reduce from 109 degree 28 minutes to 104 degree. Here is lone pair repulsion, lone pair bond pair repulsions. These are the bonds. Bonds means bonds, bond pair. Here is lone pair. Lone pairs are the more spacious because the repulsion between each other. That's why they 109 degree 28 minutes to 104 degree. Here is lone pair bond pair repulsion, that is also 107 degree. They try to repulsion. Repulsion means bond angle is decreases. Here is 107 degree. This one is the normal tetrahedral, means 109 degree 28 minutes. Next, how it is coming, we will one by one explain by VSEPR theory. What is VSEPR theory? First point we can write it. First, lone pairs are generally repulsion between each other. They tries to far apart. Generally, lone pairs are repulsion between each other. They tries to far apart, because more spacious means there is more they repulse you, more repulsion. Next one is the different lone pairs are. For example, lone pair repulsions are more. If lone pair repulsions are more, lone pair and bond pair repulsions, and next one is bond pair and bond pair repulsions. What is the order of repulsion? This is lone pair is the more repulsions are present, lone pair and bond pair. And first one, lone pairs are generally repulsion between each other. They tries to far apart. Next one. Now, if no lone pair is present, no lone pair means geometry is equal to shape. If lone pair is present, now geometry is not equal to shape. And first point is lone pairs are repulsion between each other. They tries to far apart. Lone pair repulsions are more. Lone pair and bond pair. No lone pair is present means geometry is equal to shape. If lone pair is present, geometry not equal to shape. These are the important points of VSEPR theory. And next, one by one, we can write how many lone pairs, bond pairs. First one I am taking Z number. Z is equal to, if Z is equal to 2, what is the name of geometry? This one, Z is equal to 2 means linear. The hybridization is SP. Okay. Next, if Z is equal to 3, that is a trigonal planar geometry. That is SP2 hybridization. Next one is Z is equal to 4. That is tetrahedral geometry. That is SP3 hybridization. Okay, now Z is equal to 2 means linear, SP hybridization. Z is equal to 3 trigonal planar, SP2. Z is equal to 4 tetrahedral, SP3 hybridization. Z is equal to 5 hybridization. Now trigonal bipyramidal. Next one is Z is equal to 6 means, that is octahedral. Here is Z is equal to 5 means SP3D hybridization. Here is SP3D2 hybridization. And Z is equal to 7 means pentagonal bipyramidal. Here pentagonal bipyramidal means SP3D3. This one is already explained in hybridization concept, but it is important for geometry. Z is equal to 2 means linear, SP hybridization. Z is equal to 3 means trigonal planar. These are the hybridization explained for only geometry. Next, if Z value 2, Z is equal to 2, Z is equal to 3. Now I am taking Z is equal to, what is the number? Z is equal to 2. How many lone pairs and bond pairs? Here I am writing number of lone pairs, number of bond pairs, number of bond pairs. Next one is hybridization. Hybridization. Next one is the shape of molecule. What is the shape of molecule? Shape of molecule. One by one we can discuss. Now Z is equal to 2 means how many lone pairs? If I am taking Z value here, Z is equal to 2. Lone pairs means 0. Bond pairs are 2. That is hybridization is linear geometry. This is a geometry is a linear geometry. Hybridization means that is sp hybridization and linear geometry. Shape means same, that is shape also linear, because here is a 2 bond pairs, here is A present, here 1 bond, 2 bond pairs are present na? Example, beryllium chloride BeCl2. Example, this is the, we can take a geometry. Here is hybridization also there, sp hybridization. We can take here geometry. What is the geometry? Linear geometry. Hybridization means you can take here hybridization. Now Z is equal to means sp hybridization, lone pairs 0 lone pairs, bond pairs 2 bond pairs. This is a 1 bond pair. Here is another bond pair. Here is what is the shape looking? Linear geometry. Now already you know lone pair, no lone pair means geometry is equal to shape. Here G means geometry, S means shape. No lone pair means geometry is equal to shape. Now here also Z is equal to 2. Lone pair, 1 lone pair is present. 1 lone pair. Bond pair is 1 bond pair is present. Now geometry, you know geometry, linear geometry. Already you know linear geometry. And next one is sp hybridization. Yes, it is sp hybridization. What is the shape of the molecule? Shape of the molecule also linear only, linear molecule shape, because here 1 lone pair means 1 lone pair I am writing here A present, 1 lone pair is present, 1 bond pair, but it is seeing looking like that, it is linear only, linear shape only. And next one is Z is equal to 3. I am taking Z is equal to 3. Lone pairs are 0. Bond pairs are 3. 3 bond pairs are present. What is the geometry? Geometry is trigonal planar. Trigonal planar geometry. Even shape also hybridization is sp2 hybridization. Next, shape of the molecules is trigonal planar. Here is what is the shape? This one, shape and this one 120 degree, and bond angle is this one 120, all are same 120. Next one is if you same Z is equal to 3, how many lone pairs? 1 lone pair. How many bond pairs? 2 bond pairs I am taking. 1 lone pair and 2 bond pairs I am taking. Here geometry means already you know trigonal planar. That geometry is trigonal planar geometry. Hybridization is same, sp2 hybridization. Shape I am taking means here 1 lone pair is present, here 1 lone pair is present, and 2 bond pairs are present. 2 lone pairs, 2 bond pairs, 1 lone pair. What is the shape? This one angular shape. And next bent or V shape. What is the shape? It's looking, if you seeing like this, it is the bent V shape or angular shape. This is the Next one, trigonal planar, one lone pair, two bond pairs, but geometry is trigonal planar, but shape is angular and V shape. Next one is, if same z is equal to 3, here I am writing shape of the molecule, and here is hybridization. Next one is the shape of the molecule. Here is geometry is responsible for hybridization. Okay, now z is equal to 3 I am taking already. Two lone pairs are present, one bond pair is present. Now geometry, what is the geometry? Already you know, trigonal planar geometry. Hybridization is sp2 hybridization. What is the shape of the molecule? Two lone pairs are present. Here is A, two lone pairs, one of the lone pair here also one lone pair is present, and this one is looking linear shape. Next one is z is equal to 4. Hybridization, z is equal to 4 means sp3 hybridization. Lone pairs are 0, I am taking 0 lone pairs. Now bond pairs, 4 bond pairs are present. Now 4 bond pairs are present means tetrahedral geometry. Next one is a hybridization is sp3 hybridization. One lone all bonds means we can take methane, carbon tetrachloride. This is the example I am taking A. This one is the tetrahedral geometry. Tetrahedron is present. Tetrahedral geometry. Now I am taking, here is 4. One lone pair is present and 3 bond pairs are present. One lone pair, 3 bond pairs. Now that is tetrahedral geometry. That is sp3 hybridization. Okay, if I am taking methane, here I am taking how many bond pairs? 3 bond pairs. 1, 2, 3. One lone pair is present. Here is one lone pair, 3 bond pairs. What is the structure? This one, shape of the molecule. Here is tetrahedral geometry, tetrahedral shape also same, but here shape is pyramidal shape. It's showing pyramidal type. If you remove this one, pyramidal like it will be showing. Next one is z is equal to 4. How many bond pairs, lone pairs? One by one we can discuss. This VSEPR theory is very important for Neet. And z is equal to 4 means sp3 hybridization, already know. 2 lone pairs are present, 2 bond pairs are present. The geometry is tetrahedral geometry. Already you know tetrahedral geometry. And hybridization is sp3 hybridization. And shape of the molecule is 2 bond pairs means A is present, 2 lone pairs. 2 lone pairs are the spacious. These lone pairs are very near each other means they are more repulsion. If they are spacious means less repulsion. If more spacious means downside the bonds are reduced their bond angle. That's why here is one bond, here is one bond pairs. These are the 2 bond pairs and 2 lone pairs are present. What is the shape of the molecule? This one, angular shape and bent shape and V shape. It's showing V shape. This is the z is equal to 4. If you take